between Mac and iPhone. Fix. Step 1. Check your Apple ID sign in. The first thing to do is ensure you are signed in to the same Apple ID in both your Mac and iPhone. On your iPhone, go to Settings and tap on your name at the top. You'll see your Apple ID display there. On your Mac, go to System Settings or System Preferences in older Mac OS versions. Then click on your name or Apple ID at the top of this sidebar. Make sure the Apple ID email address is identical on both devices. If they're different, sign out of the incorrect one and sign in with the correct Apple ID. Step 2. Verify iCloud settings. Even with the same Apple ID, specific iCloud services might not be enabled. On your iPhone, go to Settings, Your Name, iCloud. Here you'll see a list of apps using iCloud. Make sure the services you want to sync, example photos, contacts, or messages, are toggled on. On your Mac, go to System Settings, Your Name, iCloud. Similar to the iPhone, ensure the checkboxes next to the desired services are enabled. Step 3. Toggle iCloud services off and on. Sometimes the background connections get stuck. Toggling the specific services off and back on can refresh the link. On your iPhone or Mac, go back to your iCloud settings. Turn off the switch for the specific app that isn't syncing. When prompted, choose Keep on My Device to avoid losing data. Wait about 30 seconds, then toggle it back on. Select Merge if asked, then this forces the devices to re-index the data with the cloud. Step 4. Sign out of iCloud and back in. If individual toggles don't work, a full sign out acts as a hard reset for your Apple ID services. For iPhone, go to Settings, Your Name, scroll to the bottom and tap Sign Out. For Mac, go to System Settings, Your Name, scroll down and click Sign Out. For Step 5, update software and check system status. Apple occasionally updates the underlying syncing protocol. If one device is an old version of iOS or Mac OS and the other is updated, they may struggle to communicate.